Hello, Mischief. So, if you're looking for 5 amazing island resorts near Phuket and how 5-Star Marine can take you there in style, then this is a video for you. Isn't it, Mischief? Yes. That's not nice. People don't want to see this. People don't want to see us kissing. Oh, no. No, Mischief, it's not... Oh, you're recording? I didn't realise. Hi everyone, Jay here. Now, as I said in the intro, if you're looking for a luxury island escape near Phuket, then you're in luck. Because southern Thailand, that's where we are, is home to some of the most beautiful island resorts in the world. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic romance, if you're dreaming of a romantic hideaway, wellness, let's do wellness. Good, that's wellness. Or just want to put your toes in the sand and drink some cocktails. Want some cocktails? You probably don't want any cocktails, do you? No, silly. Then I'm going to let you know about 5. That's right, 5 amazing island resorts. Now, 5-Star Marine, we specialise in private boat tours, but we also offer transfers as well. And all these islands we're about to talk about, we can take you to them. That's right. But if you've already got a boat pickup and you've got all your transfers sorted and you just want to do a tour, then also all these resorts, we can come directly to you and pick you up and take you on tour. How's about that? That's good, isn't it? Right, shall we go through the 5? Okay, let's do it. Shall we do it? Say yes. Yes. All right, in no particular order, we're going to do number 1, which is Island Escape by Burisari, which is on Coconut Island, otherwise known as Koh Mok Prao. It's a true slice of tropical haven, just minutes from Phuket. Now, this resort offers luxury villas, private pools, and relaxed barefoot luxury vibe. Thick, lush jungles, gardens, beachfront dining, and dreamy spa experiences. It's perfect for couples and families looking for a private island feel without going too far. Number 2, still on Coconut Island, Koh Mok Prao, is Barceló Coconut Island. It used to be called the Village Coconut Island. I know that because I used to work there. In fact, 17, 18 odd years ago, this is why I came out to Thailand, was to go and work at the Village Coconut Island. So Barceló on Coconut Island offers another option on Koh Mok Prao, Coconut Island. It combines the resort-style facilities with unbeatable location. Unless you go and stay at Island Escape by Burisari, which is on the same island, so it is beatable, I guess. Anyway, forget about that. You can enjoy sea view villas, water slides for the kids, and relaxed island paradise. That's right, all within a short boat ride from mainland. It is perfect for groups, families, or couples wanting easy access to Phuket with a secluded feel. Number 3, the Racha on Racha Yai Island. This eco-friendly resort, which I've never been to, is all about peace, privacy, and pristine nature. It's located on Racha Yai. The Racha is famous for its clear blue waters, I think I should say crystal clear blue waters, white sandy beaches, and sustainability. That's right, they focus on sustainability. Snorkeling, diving, and total relaxation await. It's perfect for honeymooners, nature lovers, and those seeking a luxurious escape from the world. I know it's good because behind the camera, Fangalanga Ding Dong is nodding, going, yes, yes. She likes this one because she likes honeymooners and romantic stuff. She's shaking her head. Maybe it's the sustainability she likes. No, I don't think so. Anyway, number 4, I never get this right. Is it Santhiya? Is that how I say it? Santhiya. Okay, thank you, Fangalang and Ding Dong. Santhiya on Koh Yao Yai is beautiful, okay? It's a rustic Thai architecture meets 5-star indulgence. Perched above, she's nodding again behind the camera. Perched above the beach with stunning views of Phang Nga Bay. Santhiya? Santhiya. So you say Santhiya, I say Santhiya. It's all about serenity and traditional charm with wooden villas, cascading pools, and open-air dining. It's perfect for culture seekers and those craving quiet, nature, and romance. Where's my kisses? Romance. Kisses? No, she's gone to sleep under the table. And finally, number 5, Zeavola Resort, which is on Phi Phi Island. I was just checking I said that right. Zeavola? Is that right? Yes, it is, Zeavola. Oh, she's shaking her head at me now. Anyway, it's one of Phi Phi's hidden gems. It's not so hidden actually, because everyone knows about Zeavola. It's a barefoot luxury resort set on a remote stretch of beach. Think jungle meets beach vibes. sustainable living, and total digital detox, which means the internet's rubbish. Get there by private boat and immerse yourself in the wild beauty of Phi Phi. Now, Zeavola is perfect for eco-conscious travellers and adventurers and those who still want a touch of luxury. So, there's your 5. But how can FiveStar Marine help? Whether you're staying for a few nights or just visiting for lunch or a swim, we can arrange your private boat transfer and customise a day tour at any of these resorts. So our team will work with you to ensure a smooth, safe and scenic journey, complete with cold drinks, comfortable seating and the chance to explore hidden coves, snorkel along the way. And why travel ordinary when you can make your journey part of the adventure? Adventure. So, contact us today to plan your island escape. Private transfers, custom island hopping tours, snorkeling, sightseeing, kayaking, more! VIP service from start to finish. Let us, that's me, help you arrive in paradise the FiveStar Marine way. That's right, Mischief! What do you think? Yes or no? No, she's licking, she approves. Kisses! Oh, by the way, you can buy our merchandise on our website. You get these thermos flasks, there's a little, what's it called, a t-shirt behind me, or one of these lovely caps, which hides my really bad hair at the moment. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. If you want to know about any of those resorts, just let me know. Is that right? This is just sick. People won't like this video, I don't think, because she's just licking my face. Get those bogies. Bogies. Get the bogies. Get the bogies. Get the bogies. Stop it. Thanks. Oh, I hate that noise. Ugh.